Hi everyone, welcome to our video on AI investing software and apps. In this video, we'll be discussing how AI technology is revolutionizing the world of investing, and how you can start investing in fractional shares of stocks with M1 Finance. M1 Finance is an online brokerage platform that allows users to invest in stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, in a customizable portfolio. With the help of AI, you can make more informed investment decisions and potentially yield higher returns. AI investing software can provide you with personalized recommendations based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. By using M1 Finance, you can start investing in fractional shares of stocks and diversify your investments, even with a small amount of money. M1 Finance's AI algorithms analyze market trends and predict future movements, allowing you to make informed decisions and potentially achieve higher returns. With M1 Finance's easy-to-use app, you can check your portfolio and make investment decisions on the go. In conclusion, AI investing software can offer increased efficiency and more accurate predictions for investors, and with M1 Finance, you can start investing in fractional shares of stocks and potentially achieve higher returns. Plus, if you use the link in the description below to open and fund your account with M1 Finance, you'll receive a $100 bonus. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. We'll see you in the next video.